Luke Bamford, y tafliad hir wastad beryglus ganddo fo. A'r bêl dal yn rhydd. Kieran Mills-Evans ar ergyd, fymryn heibio'r postyn gan yr amddiffynwr. Cynnig arall gan Luke Bamford i hyrdio'r bêl i fewn i'r cwrt. Bamford unwaith eto. Y dynion mawr yn mynd amdani, ond mae'r bêl dal yn rhydd. Mitchell a'i gefn at y gol, ond yn gwasgu'r bêl i gefn y rhwyd. 5 munud ar 20 ar y cloc. Amheuaeth bod yna'n lawion y cwrt o fyma, ond y bêl yn disgyn y rhydd a Neil Mitchell sy'n rhoi'r dre newydd ar y blaen. James Murphy, mlaen at Reid. Reid yn troi'n dda gan rhyddhau Murphy unwaith eto. A'r bast yna di mesur yn berffaith. Tom Goodwin! Dim ond Leandro oedd i giro, ond mi safodd y golwr yn gadarn i Gegidfa. Cyfle Gegidfa i daflu tafliad hir i fewn. A bêl yn syrthio'n garedig i Andrew Ford! Ac y bêl yn cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell gan Kieran Mills-Evans yn y diwedd. Flic ymlaen gan Reid, y cliriad lawr cae at Chris Cathell yn rheoli'n dda, ac yr rhyddhau Asa Hamilton. Dim ond Dave Jones i'w giro fo yma, Hamilton heibio'r golwr! O, a'r capten Craig Williams yn achub i dîm yn arwrol. Oedd yr ergyd gan Hamilton yn sleifio i fewn, dwi'n siŵr. Iwan Cartwright. Bas Letraus at Mitchell sy'n rheoli'r bêl yn hyfryd. A'r bas wrthol at Jamie Reid sy'n dyblu mantais y dre newydd. Jamie Reid, y sgoriwr profiadol yn elwa o'r bas hyfryd gan Neil Mitchell. Tom Goodwin yn ôl at Harris. O, na chi bas. Neil Mitchell sy'n rhydd lawr yr asgell chwith. Mitchell yn aros am y cymorth, neu diom yn fynd i hun. Bas yn ôl at Jamie Reid. Reid ar ergyd. Fymryn dros y traws. Y dre newydd fe gyrraeddon nhw'r ffeinal yn 2015. Ydyn nhw am gael rhediad cystal eleni.
They're going well in the league, they're a good team, they're a physical side. It was always going to be a tough game, there wasn't a lot in the game. Just felt probably a little bit of quality, especially in the second goal, which I thought was a great goal, probably told in the end.
Disappointed really. The lads are disappointed, we just never got going today for some reason, it didn't quite happen. Felt we didn't hurt them in the final third. You know, we had quite a bit of possession in the second half, but yeah, I find, especially first half, I felt the game just passed us by a little bit, and the lads know they've missed an opportunity there. We haven't really got going today, but you know, it shows that we've come a long way. You know, that the lads are hurt. We've played a Welsh Premier side. Fair play to Newtown. You know, they deserve the win. You know, they took their chances and probably just showed the difference in quality high up the pitch.
And a home draw next round?
Yeah, not TNS though, because I think we seem to get them every year. I think we've drawn the last 3 times, so hopefully whoever's doing the draw will keeps us apart with TNS and let them play someone else. But yeah, home draw would be nice. But look, the main thing before today was we're in the hat, and we're in the hat. It's job done, so we're delighted.